SoFlo TV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. So I've been getting a lot of calls saying, why are you not on Morning Thoughts? Why are you not on Morning Thoughts? We're not seeing you. Are you on vacation? Are you done with Morning Thoughts? All this stuff. I have a lot going on right now. This is to my Morning Thoughts audience, because my Morning Thoughts audience is actually very loyal. Alright, so I feel like I owe it to them. This is to my Morning Thoughts people and the people that are tuning into SoFlo on a regular basis. Man, I almost lost my eye again. And I'm going to tell you, I know it's twice in a year, right? People are saying, oh, Miss Salt, so. Come, I almost lost my eye twice. Life is funny, man. 1 minute you're there and the next minute you're gone. Or 1 minute you're there, 2 arms, 2 legs, 2 functioning eyes. And the next minute you have 1 eye or 1 hand and 1 leg. Things happen. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I don't know if me accident prone or what. But, or Duppy follow me or what. But, so earlier during the year, first of all, no Morning Thoughts haven't been going up like on a regular basis. You know, every day me do now and then. But I'll get back to the schedule soon, I promise you. I promise you. I gotta take care of real life stuff first, right? I just wake up in the morning, I'm gonna put on my makeup yet, I didn't do my hair yet, all these things. For all the people who like you to look fancy when you come on video, it's not my thing. So anyhow, the last time when I almost lose my eye, it was me filming Morning Thoughts, getting ready to film Morning Thoughts. And I set up the camera equipment, and one of the lighting have a metal rod that goes straight through it. It's some weird stuff that holds up the umbrella that comes on the lighting. I set the thing up, set up my lights, and bent over like this in front of one of the lights, and forgot that the metal thing was right there. As me bend over so, like me bend down fast, you know, so me hit the thing pretty hard, and it hit right on my eyeball. You know, sometimes when you're gonna get licking at your eye, you close your eye quick, so the thing hit like the outside of your eye, so you're good. Eye might hurt like a bit, but you're good. Not my luck. With my luck, eye open wide. Same eye again. I'm gonna show you a close-up. Stay tuned. It looked bad. It looked worse than how it was before. So the people who saw my eye before, them know said that did look bad. A lot of people were saying, SoFlo, go to the doctor with it. It's bleeding on the inside and you might lose your eye, and people will make you paro. And right now, I'm afraid of doctor. And like they say, don't come to no hospital or don't go to the doctor office unless you have COVID and them something that is for COVID patients. It's the same thing in the US. I dropped my son off from football. He sprained his ankle first week of football. Second football practice. Sprained his ankle. And I took him to the hospital. And his mother took him inside the hospital. And you should see the process. You have to pass through a tent to go into the hospital entrance. You pass through the tent, and inside the tent you're getting tested and you're doing this and that, and they must swab your dung and all kind of something. You come in like Ebola is here. So it's a scary sight just to even pull up to the hospital looking for medical attention. You know what I'm saying? This eye looked like the average person probably would be scared and run to the hospital and go through all that to go see a doctor, because of course you don't want to lose your eyesight. Alright, this time I almost lost my eye and my daughter. May I explain why? It's not that bad though. Watch. So I'm laying on the bed. We have a couple rooms in the house, right? One of the room them is like the all chill out room. It's actually the boys' room. So it have like these bunk bed systems in it and all that. All the way I chill out in the last night watching movies, me, wifey, Kai, and baby girl, Milani. I'm lay down, I'm laying on my back, and you know, we decide we're gonna turn the lights off and try to get the kids to go to sleep. Turn off the light, the picnic them still are running around in the darkness. They're running around in the dark, and next thing I know, my daughter comes over to me in the dark, but I could see her. So I pick her up. As I pick her up like this, I'm like, daddy baby, you know, I play with her and thing. And she made one mad swipe. Wow. My eye was wide open. her finger went right in my eye, hard poke. I just feel like a pain shot gone at the back of my head. I said to myself, I said, my eye is up. My eye is messed up, I know it. But we're in the dark. So I'm holding her up in the ear. I'm like, babe, get her, get her. I'm telling wifey, I hold her up in the arm. I said, babe, get her. So she get the baby. And I just laid back down in the dark, wrap up my head, because my eye was hurting. So I hold the pillow, wrap it around my eyes so, and I went to sleep just like this. Went to sleep, and my eye was hurting me all night. I didn't sleep long. I probably sleep for like 2 hours, wake up, because wife is up working late. When I wake up, it's like 2 o'clock in the morning. Wow! I go look in the mirror. Now I hear her outside working, and I thought, okay, I can't go back to sleep now, so I get up, go see what she doing and stuff. Maybe she need my help, like, you know, take some picture from this angle or do whatever to help with her videos.
Still, I still need you, family need the green. I know niggas who will get that cheese by any means. Kill their enemies and double cross anything that's in between. Just for them Benjamins, they turning into fiends. They say money is the root of all evil.
By the time me go out there, she's coming in, she's ready to go to bed. I said, okay, I definitely can't go back to sleep. Go in the bathroom, go pee. When I went in the bathroom to pee, I pee, flush toilet, go a sink, get ready to wash hands. And I'm washing my hands, still not looking up. Washing my hands. Turn off the water, turn around, dry off my hands, still not looking up at the mirror in front of me, you know. As I was getting ready to leave the bathroom now, I go in front of the mirror. So let me see what my eye look like, cause it did hurt last night. I think a part of me didn't want to see my eye. That's why I went in the bathroom and did all that. And still didn't look in the mirror. But I have to look in the mirror eventually. So me looking in the mirror. When I looked in the mirror, I was like, holy what the, like my eye looked way worse than it probably looks way worse than it feels too, you know. My vision is probably, I'm looking through it right now by itself, things are a little blurry, but my vision is not that much affected, and it's sensitive to light and it's sensitive to air. So when the air go in there and the light, you know, it starts squint up on them something there, but other than that, the eye is good. So this is probably going to take another couple of weeks to heal, just like the last one. The last one took about 2 to 3 weeks to heal. This one is probably going to take about the same time to heal. So I'm going to be walking around like this with this eye like this for the longest. You're asking how I almost lost. Okay, SoFlo, you explain how you almost lost your eye. How did you almost lose your daughter?
Alright everybody, listen, before we go any further with this program, let me send you over to Natural Shells Organics. Nothing beats looking good and feeling good and taking proper care of yourself so you can be the best you that you can be. These products are 100% handmade and organic. It's time that you start taking care of yourself and putting things on your body that are natural, that you can pronounce the ingredients and that you know won't harm you. This product line mostly consists of hair care products that are made to increase hair growth and improve hair health and treat your scalp. There are also skincare products here to soothe out the blemishes, soothe your irritated skin, improve your texture of your skin, and even out your skin tone. And for the fellas, that growth oil, 100% organic, handmade, will have your beard, mustache looking right. So head on over to Natural Shells Organics. Tell us SoFlo TV sent you and start taking good care of yourself because you deserve it. Back to our regular scheduled program at hand.
Because when she poked me in my eye like that, I was about to throw her. I fling her across the room. Yeah, and it just instant reaction. Not that I would throw my kid across the room. It's instant reaction. It was to like get her off of me, but I'm glad I didn't. So I was holding her up in the air like this, like halfway ready for fling her. I was like, oh my God! I hold my eye like this, hold her up in the air, and I tell wife if you come get her, come get the baby, take her, baby, take her, like that. So that's how me almost lose Shito. That's why I say it's not that serious, it's kind of funny. Anyhow, to the people who tune in all the time, I'll be back on schedule pretty soon. I didn't want to share too much with anybody yet until, you know, we go through the process and everything. So, between me and wifey, we're experiencing multiple deaths in the family. And I just want to go through them first and attend some funerals and say the last goodbyes and do all those things before I actually come on and come tell everybody who died, what happened, all that other stuff. So if you see me not being on schedule with the uploads and all that, just know, sir, we're handling real life issues right now. Yeah, real life issues, and I'm just taking the time to go through them, and then after I go through them, I'll be back on schedule again. Yeah, I enjoy my morning thoughts. That's where we let loose. That's where we talk about topics that need to be talked about, whether it's jokey, fun, something, or it's serious stuff. But it's a way for us to meet up every morning and, you know, before we go off to start our day and give each other, because I get the same vibes from you that you get from me, which is a positive, uplifting vibe in the early morning. That's the way to start your day. If you want to start your day, you want to start your day with upful vibes. So that's what Morning Thoughts is about. Discuss every and anything, but still end it on or carry an air of upliftment. So we big up each other, manners and respect each other early in the morning, talk about some things, and then tell each other, say, have a blessed day, have a wonderful day, spread some love today, keep your head up, all these things. And we haven't been doing that. So some people really look forward to their morning thoughts. I have people that watch every single morning. And when I don't go up, I get the emails, I get the text messages, I get the phone calls, I get the, you know, them thing there. And they're asking. So this week, no morning thoughts Monday, no morning thoughts Tuesday, I think. What's today, Wednesday? No morning thoughts this morning again. And I've been getting those emails, so this is to explain to you what's going on, and also for you to get a good look at my eye. So take a look at the eye. Hold on, look. Ready? Here we go. See? That the eye look bad. It's kinda. Malani. Juke up my eye, Malani.
Here, Malani, eye.
And she gone. And then, you don't know already. Yeah, some of there, on some backyard vibes, just chilling, just woke up in the morning. I'm about to go get my day started and put some material together for you guys. Finish editing and post on them thing there. And again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We have a goal for the end of this year, and the goal for the end of this year is to hit 300K. We're trying to hit 300,000 subscribers by the end of the year, which is a good thing. You know, it's a big deal if we do that. We're coming from far. Some people been on this channel since we only had 50, 75 subscribers and them something there, and to see us grow over the years, and we're now at almost 300,000. And when we do go live or do morning thoughts, you know, people tune in the hundreds. I remember doing morning thoughts and people would tune in 5, 10, and I was like, is it worth it? 15, and next thing you know, boom, by the next week 150, and by the next week 300, 400. Sometimes we do some topics and it's over 1,000 people on a live early in the morning, and you would have think that nobody no wake up this early if you go tune in to nothing. But I'm telling you that they do. So big up to them people there, shout out to them people there, and thank you so much for your support all along. Alright, manners and respect to each and every one of you. And be careful out there, man. I think I gotta start walking around in some pool goggles or something, cause apparently my eyes are attracting blows and it don't look good. I don't want to lose my eyes. Alright? I'll catch you on the next video. It's SoFlo TV. You already know already. Big up and bless up. I'm out. Peace.